Hi, my name is Nick Luchetti, and I'm a member of the Pacific Water Resources Team, a part of the NASA-developed national program. We collaborated with scientists here at the National Centers for Environmental Information in Asheville, North Carolina, to create a satellite-derived ENSO-based precipitation climatology for the U.S.-affiliated Pacific Islands. To supplement our climatology, we created this user-friendly webbing application in the ArcGIS online suite. And I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to actually use and utilize the different features of this webbing application. So just quickly, you can see at the top here we have the title for this project, and in the subtitle, you can scroll down through it, is a paragraph of, if you want a little more information about the specific project, you can read through that. Additionally, up on the upper right, we have a hyperlink to the NASA Develop organization's website, and you can see what other types of research that NASA Develop is engaged in if you're interested. Additionally, we have the Facebook share button and the Twitter share button, and we encourage you to share this app in your social media channels. So in every single one of these tabs labeled 1 through 13, you will have this panel on the left side here that has information about that specific map. On this first panel, I've also included hyperlinks to different animations as well as different organizations' homepages that are involved with this project. Additionally, at the very bottom here, we have on each one of these tabs, you'll see a scale bar for that specific map that you can click and it'll pop up and it'll expand it. You can see this one shows millimeters and inches for the 30-year mean annual precipitation if you need more information about what that map is showing from a legend standpoint. So we'll go ahead and exit back out of that. And another thing is, feel free to move the map around. You can move it around, you can zoom in and you can zoom out. If any point you want to be back to where you were, you can hit this little home button and it should bring you back to the original position. We're going to go ahead and click on one of these tabs, but as you see, you can hover over these and it'll show you which phase of ENSO that you're in. We have from moderate, strong, and we've also broken it down by season. So we'll go ahead and click on moderate to strong El Nino winter. So if you click on this again, on this left, you can see that the map has changed. And if you need more information about what the map is showing, on this left panel, it'll tell you everything you need to know about that specific map. And again, we have a scale bar that is clickable. You can open up, and that'll explain a little bit more from a legend standpoint what the map is showing. So the other thing I want to point out is on these maps, you can click on one of the red stations, and what will pop up is a little pop-up here window that shows the latitude and longitude of that station and the elevation. But also, if you scroll down, you can and it has a little quote here so you can understand what this is showing. But we've embedded these time series graphs, and if you click it, it'll bring it up and into a new window for that specific station. And it has across the board here, top here, you can see the legend for each one of these lines, and it has the 5 phases of ENSO and how they change through the seasons from year 0, which is the year of onset. So for example, here in 2015, at time of recording, we would be at the July, August, September on the moderate to strong El Nino line, and this is the year of onset, and then the year +1, the year after the onset of an ENSO event. So you can click on the different stations and see it from a time series analysis. And then lastly, we want to show that you can actually click into the actual exclusive economic zone, the outlines here, and you can see that it shows you the EZ, the country, the latitude and longitude. But if you scroll down here, we've embedded these animated GIFs for that specific exclusive economic zone for that specific phase. And you can also click on this. It'll bring you to a new window where you can watch the animation go through each of the seasons for that specific phase. So anyways, I hope that was a helpful tutorial. We again, the panel over here is your best friend. It'll explain what that map is showing. But we hope that this is beneficial, and we hope that you enjoy exploring the web application. Thank you for listening.